And here we are, at the end of December and the end of the calendar year. If you want to mark it with your December dump, I'll help you find it on Instagram. First, open Instagram and then the Instagram search. In the search bar, type moonsoul.design. Open that profile. This is a profile with perhaps the best and most popular December dump on Instagram. Go to the December story highlights. Scroll through the templates until you find the December dump. Click on Add Yours and start creating your story. Add 6 photos that marked your December. We're sure your December was very exciting. Customize your story as you like, add stickers, music, or anything else. Share your story. Here's our December dump. What do you think? If this short video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.